Hello everybody, welcome to the 42nd, is it 41? Yeah, next tutorial in our top-down zombie game tutorial series. And in this tutorial, we're simply going to be looking at limiting the fire rate, because currently, right now, when we're shooting, we have pretty much unlimited fire rate. So let's just test it out. See, okay, let me just reduce the speed a bit so it's more visible, and let's run it again. So currently, as you can see, we have an unlimited fire. It's just the only limit to it is how fast I can click, and we might want to limit that. So in order to do that, we will be using a timer and action listeners pretty much. So yeah. So here right now, I'll just have I'll create an action event. So first thing, I'll need to create an action listener, right? Listener, I'll simply call it action is equal to new action listener. And there we go. And what I'll simply do is I'll simply close this. And what I want to do is I want to move this action from here, and I want to add it here. Oh, hello. Okay, not there. Actually, I want to put it inside here. I'll explain everything in a moment. So an action listener, and we're also going to be using a timer. So action listener comes from the Java out.event, and yeah. So here I'll simply create a timer, and I'll name it shoot timer. And we're going to be using the Java x.swing timer. It has to be Java x.swing. And there we go. And now what we want to do is to create this. So what I want to do is to simply say shoot timer is equal to new. What? No, not new action list. Sorry, shoot timer is equal to new timer. And this will be the delay, and this will be the action. So the action will be that. So the delay is pretty much the amount of seconds you want it to wait, pretty much, and amount of milliseconds. And remember, 1,000 milliseconds makes 1 second. So if we want to have a fire rate of, let's say, 4 rounds per second, what we want to do is to say 1,000 divided by 4. 1,000 divided by 4. And we want this to be long. So I want to create an FPS, float fire rate. Let's just give a default tone of 4. And what I want to do is simply say long delay is equal to 1,000 divided by 4. No, not 4 per se, but fire rate. There we go. That gives us our delay, and we just need to cast this to a long. And what we want to do is just to simply pass in the delay there. Okay, why is this not working? Oh, it needs to be an integer, sorry. Rename long to int. Change all of this. I thought it was long, I don't know, for some whatever reason. And I simply put this as int. What am I doing? Delay. There we go. So now that we have the shoot timer and all this stuff, now when we shoot, what we want to simply do is we want to start the timer. Before anything, actually, we want to say shoot timer dot set repeat to false. We don't want it to be repeating, actually. So yeah, shoot timer to set repeat to false. So what you want to do is to simply say if shoot timer dot is running, we'll simply return. And if it's not running, what we can simply say is shoot timer.start. Now that way, we can never, when we do the fire rate thingy, as you can see, we cannot go past 4 rounds per second. I can even go to an extreme and reduce the fire rate to 1. And when I do that, as you can see, my fire rate has been whatever. You can hear how much I'm clicking, and it's only firing 1 round per second. So yeah guys, that's about it for the fire rate tutorial. So now we can limit the fire rate of our weapon using the action listener and the JavaX to single timer. So guys, stick around for the next video, which we're going to be doing full automatic firing. And yeah guys, so yeah, peace.